1. Solve problems immediately. We've all been there, putting off small tasks until they pile up and become overwhelming. One of the most effective minimalist habits you can adopt is to tackle problems as soon as they arise, especially if they take less than 5 minutes to complete. I used to have a bad habit of leaving dirty dishes in the sink, thinking I'd get to them later. But later often turned into the next day, and before I knew it, I had a mountain of dishes to wash. It was stressful and time-consuming. Then I decided to make a change. Now, whenever I use a dish, I wash it immediately or put it in the dishwasher. It's amazing how much cleaner my kitchen stays and how much less stressed I feel. 2. Daily digital detox. In our hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the constant stream of information and notifications. That's why taking at least an hour each day for a digital detox can be so beneficial. During this time, put away your phone, turn off the TV, and step away from your computer. Use this hour to reconnect with the real world around you. You might be surprised at how refreshing it can be to simply sit and enjoy a cup of tea without the distraction of screens. I started this habit last year, and it's been a game changer. At first, I felt a bit anxious without my phone, but soon I began to look forward to my daily digital detox. I use this time to read a physical book, go for a walk, or have a face-to-face conversation with a friend or family member. It's helped me sleep better, reduced my stress levels, and improved my relationships. 3. Say no more often. Learning to say no is a crucial skill for anyone looking to simplify their life. It's about being mindful of your commitments and not agreeing to things that don't align with your priorities or values. This doesn't mean becoming a hermit or never helping others. It's about being selective with your time and energy. For example, if you're invited to a social event that you're not excited about, it's okay to politely decline. If a coworker asks you to take on an extra project when you're already swamped, it's fine to explain that you don't have the capacity right now. I used to be a chronic people pleaser, always saying yes to everything. But I found myself stressed, overwhelmed, and resentful. Learning to say no has allowed me to focus on what truly matters to me. It's freed up time for self-care, passion projects, and quality time with loved ones. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am minimalist" in the comments below, and if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 4. Simplify skincare and makeup. The beauty industry is constantly pushing new products and trends, but a minimalist approach to skincare and makeup can save you time, money, and space. Instead of chasing every new miracle cream or eyeshadow palette, focus on a few essential products that work well for you. For skincare, this might mean a gentle cleanser, a good moisturizer, and sunscreen. For makeup, perhaps a tinted moisturizer, mascara, and a versatile lip color. The key is to find products that serve multiple purposes and suit your individual needs. I used to have a bathroom cabinet overflowing with half-used products. Now I've pared down to just the essentials, and not only has it simplified my routine, but my skin actually looks better. Plus, I'm saving money and reducing waste. 5. Find your personal style. Developing a signature style can make getting dressed each day effortless while still allowing room for creativity. This doesn't mean wearing the same outfit every day, but rather understanding what colors, cuts, and styles work best for you and your lifestyle. Start by identifying the clothes you feel most comfortable and confident in. Look for common themes. Maybe you gravitate towards certain colors or prefer certain types of fabrics. Use these insights to build a wardrobe of versatile pieces that mix and match well. When I embraced this habit, I found that I actually felt more stylish with fewer clothes. I no longer waste time staring at a closet full of clothes I don't wear, and getting dressed in the morning is quick and stress-free. 6. Declutter with the hanger trick. The hanger trick is a simple yet effective way to assess what clothes you actually wear. Here's how it works. Turn all the hangers in your closet backward. After you wear an item, put it back with the hanger facing the right way. After a few months, you'll have a clear visual of which clothes you use regularly and which ones might be candidates for donation. I tried this method last year and was shocked to see how many items I hadn't touched in months. It made the decision to declutter my wardrobe much easier and less emotional. Now my closet contains only clothes I love and wear regularly. 7. Reduce your wardrobe. Building on the previous point, owning fewer but high-quality, versatile clothing pieces can eliminate decision fatigue and boost your confidence. A smaller wardrobe doesn't mean boring. It means carefully curated pieces that you love and that work well together. Start by identifying your lifestyle needs. Do you need professional attire for work? Comfortable clothes for running errands? A few dressier options for social events? Focus on building a wardrobe that meets these needs without excess. When I first reduced my wardrobe, I was worried I'd get bored. But I found the opposite to be true. With fewer options, I'm more creative in how I combine pieces, and I always feel good in what I'm wearing because I've kept only the items I truly love. 8. Always put things back. This simple habit can prevent clutter from accumulating and save you from unnecessary stress. The key is to return items to their designated places immediately after use. For example, when you take off your coat, hang it up right away instead of tossing it on a chair. After using scissors, put them back in the drawer instead of leaving them on the counter. It might seem small, but these actions add up and can keep your space tidy with minimal effort. I used to be terrible at this, leaving a trail of items behind me throughout the day. Implementing this habit was challenging at first, but now it's second nature. My home stays much neater, and I spend less time cleaning up at the end of the day. Congratulations, you've made it halfway through the video, so we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click a link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 9. Stick to a morning routine. Starting your day with intention can set a positive and productive tone for the hours ahead. A simple morning routine might include hydrating with a glass of water, doing some light stretches, and planning your day. The key is consistency. Your routine doesn't have to be long or complicated. Even 15 minutes can make a difference. The goal is to start your day mindfully rather than rushing into it. My morning routine has become a cherished part of my day. I wake up a bit earlier to enjoy a quiet cup of coffee, write in my journal, and plan my tasks for the day. It helps me feel centered and prepared, no matter what challenges the day might bring. 10. Maintain a shopping plan. Mindful consumption is a cornerstone of minimalist living. Instead of buying things on impulse, shop with a clear purpose. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if the item truly adds value to your life. Create a list of things you need before you go shopping and stick to it. For larger purchases, implement a waiting period, say 24 hours for items under $100 and a week for more expensive items. This helps prevent impulse buys and ensures you only bring meaningful items into your home. I used to be an emotional shopper, buying things to make myself feel better or because they were on sale. Now I'm much more intentional about my purchases. Not only has this saved me money, but I also feel a greater appreciation for the things I do buy. 11. Bring cloth bags when shopping. This small, sustainable habit can make a big impact on reducing waste. Keep a few reusable bags in your car or by your front door so you always have them handy when you go shopping. Using cloth bags instead of plastic or paper not only reduces waste, but also tends to be more durable and comfortable to carry. Plus, many stores now offer small discounts for bringing your own bags. I'll admit it took me a while to consistently remember my reusable bags. But now it's become a habit, and I feel good knowing I'm reducing my plastic waste. It's a small change that adds up over time. 12. Take your health seriously. Prioritizing your health is crucial for maintaining both mental clarity and physical energy. This means eating well, exercising regularly, and getting enough rest. You don't need to follow extreme diets or intense workout regimens. Start with small, sustainable changes. Maybe that's adding more vegetables to your meals, taking a daily walk, or setting a consistent bedtime. The key is to make these habits part of your daily routine. I used to think I was too busy to focus on my health, but I've realized that taking care of myself actually gives me more energy and productivity in the long run. When I eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep, I'm better equipped to handle stress and enjoy life. 13. Clean for 5 minutes daily. A quick tidying up session each day can prevent overwhelming messes and keep your space organized effortlessly. Set a timer for just 5 minutes and do as much cleaning as you can in that time. You might be surprised at how much you can accomplish in 5 minutes. Putting away a few items, wiping down counters, or quickly vacuuming a room. The key is consistency. These small daily efforts add up and can significantly reduce the need for big cleaning sessions. When I started this habit, I was skeptical that 5 minutes could make a difference. But over time, I found that my home stays much cleaner with less effort. It's also a great way to wind down at the end of the day and prepare for a relaxing evening. 14. Switch to laundry detergent sheets. Using compact, pre-measured detergent sheets is a simple way to eliminate bulky plastic jugs and simplify your laundry routine. These sheets dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue and taking up much less space in your laundry area. Not only do detergent sheets reduce plastic waste, but they also make it easier to use the right amount of detergent for each load. No more guessing or overpouring, which can lead to detergent buildup on clothes. I was hesitant to try these at first, worried they wouldn't clean as well as liquid detergent. But I've been pleasantly surprised. My clothes come out just as clean, and I love not having to lug around heavy jugs of detergent anymore. 15. Stop procrastinating. Procrastination can be a major source of stress and can prevent us from living our best, most minimalist lives. Building a routine to stay consistent and avoid delaying important tasks is crucial for a stress-free life. Start by breaking larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Use tools like to-do lists or productivity apps to keep track of what needs to be done. And remember, perfect is the enemy of good. Sometimes it's better to complete a task imperfectly than to put it off indefinitely. I used to be a chronic procrastinator, always waiting until the last minute to complete tasks. It led to a lot of unnecessary stress and late nights. Learning to tackle tasks promptly has been liberating. I feel more in control of my time and less anxious overall. There you have it, 15 minimalist habits to start in 2025 for a simpler, stress-free life. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.